Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change language on Netflix. So let's get into it. First of all, open Netflix. Select the edit icon on the top right corner of the profile selection page. Select Manage Profile. To change the language in a specific profile, click the edit icon above the profile you wish to change the language in. In the Edit Profile section, select the Display Language option and you'll see a list of languages that are available. Select the language you want to use. This change will also alter the default language of the audio and subtitles. After selecting the language, just go back and you will receive a message that the app needs to be restarted. Select the Restart App option. Netflix will now use the language you selected for your profile. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.